Hey guys, back with a brand new vlog, and so today I actually, I was talking about like how I got or how I was getting my window installed. Well, I did, and here it is, I guess. It looks kind of like the same, but it's actually different. He literally like installed it when I was at school. And it works pretty good. If I open it, opens up and shuts. With my old window, I couldn't even open it or shut it. Because like I said, I pushed through it and it just came apart. And I meant to like push it up instead of pushing it forward, but I don't even know how it even happened. It just did. But I'm just glad that I got fixed, and in the future I'm not really gonna go through this way. I'm gonna like remember my keys. So besides that, today I actually have hockey practice, and I know I haven't really been going to hockey in a while. There's just the practices that I feel like kept getting canceled. I'm just glad that I'm getting back into hockey, and I didn't really forget about it. And I actually have 2 games. I have one game on Sunday and one game. But no, I have a game on Saturday and Sunday, so it's kind of like a hectic week. But if I want to, do good at the games, I have to go to this practice to get better. I was thinking about this. I was thinking about skating, but it's kind of cold out, so I might actually get out my net and everything, get out my stick, and just practice. It's gonna feel weird, but I got used to it. And I might skate. I might do hockey warm-ups, and I might skate if I feel down for it. But first I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. Alright guys, so I have an idea. So I'm gonna go and skate now. It's currently 4:30, and then once it gets dark out, that's when I'm going to be playing hockey, but I might do it in my house. Alright, so I got hockey practice right now, so I'm gonna go to that. I just woke up from a really long nap, and I was doing a time lapse while I was napping, and now I'm up. Now I gotta go to practice so I can get good for the 2 games I have this week. So let's go. Well, that was hockey practice. It went pretty good.